Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into an unexpected treasure trove, and it is goat manure. Yes, you've heard that right. We're going to explore how this seemingly unappealing waste is actually a goldmine for gardeners and farmers alike. Get ready to uncover the secrets of turning goat manure into gardening gold. In the world of sustainable agriculture and gardening, manure has long been recognized as a valuable resource. However, among the various types of manure available, goat manure stands out as a hidden treasure. This video delves deep into the benefits of goat manure, its nutritional composition, how it can be transformed into valuable compost, and practical applications for gardeners and farmers. We will also explore real-life success stories, environmental impacts, and innovative ways to maximize its potential. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how to turn goat manure from waste into gardening gold. Goat manure is known for its rich nutritional profile, which includes essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients are crucial for plant growth and development. Unlike some other types of manure, goat manure has a relatively low odor and is less likely to burn plants when applied directly to the soil. Organic matter is a key component of healthy soil, and goat manure is abundant in it. The organic matter in goat manure improves soil structure, enhances water retention, and promotes the growth of beneficial microorganisms. This leads to healthier and more productive plants. Goat manure is teeming with beneficial microbes that aid in the decomposition of organic matter and the cycling of nutrients. These microorganisms play a vital role in creating a balanced and fertile soil ecosystem. The benefits of goat manure are as follows. 1. Soil enrichment. One of the primary benefits of goat manure is its ability to enrich the soil. When added to the soil, goat manure improves soil fertility by increasing nutrient availability and enhancing soil structure. This results in improved plant growth and higher crop yields. 2. Composting goat manure. Composting is an effective way to transform goat manure into a valuable soil amendment. Proper composting of goat manure involves creating the right balance of carbon-rich materials, such as straw or wood chips, and nitrogen-rich materials, such as fresh goat manure and kitchen scraps. The composting process breaks down the manure into a stable, nutrient-rich material that can be safely applied to plants. 3. Weed suppression. Another advantage of using goat manure is its ability to suppress weeds. The high organic matter content and microbial activity in goat manure create a hostile environment for weed seeds, reducing their ability to germinate and grow. 4. Pest and disease resistance. Goat manure can also enhance the natural pest and disease resistance of plants. The beneficial microbes in goat manure help to outcompete harmful pathogens, creating a healthier soil environment and reducing the need for chemical pesticides and fungicides. How to collect and process goat manure are as follows. 1. Collection methods. Collecting goat manure is relatively straightforward, as goats produce small, pellet-like droppings that are easy to gather. Manure can be collected from goat pens, barns, and pastures. It is essential to ensure that the collected manure is free from contaminants and excessive bedding materials. 2. Composting techniques. Composting goat manure involves creating a balanced compost pile with the right ratio of carbon and nitrogen materials. The compost pile should be regularly turned to ensure proper aeration and decomposition. Composting can take several weeks to several months, depending on environmental conditions and the materials used. 3. Vermicomposting. Vermicomposting, or the use of worms to decompose organic matter, is another method for processing goat manure. Red worms, in particular, are effective at breaking down goat manure into a nutrient-rich compost called vermicompost. Vermicomposting is an excellent option for those with limited space or who want a faster composting process. Let's dive into the practical applications of goat manures for gardeners and farmers. 1. Using goat manure in vegetable gardens. goat manure can be applied directly to vegetable gardens or incorporated into the soil as compost. Its nutrient-rich composition promotes healthy plant growth, leading to higher yields of fruits and vegetables. Goat manure is especially beneficial for nitrogen-loving crops such as leafy greens, tomatoes, and corn. 2. Enhancing flower gardens. Flower gardens can also benefit from the addition of goat manure. The organic matter in goat manure improves soil structure and water retention, resulting in more vibrant and robust blooms. Flowering plants such as roses, daisies, and sunflowers thrive with the nutrients provided by goat manure. 3. Fruit orchards and vineyards. Fruit orchards and vineyards can experience significant improvements in soil health and productivity with the application of goat manure. The slow-release nutrients in goat manure provide a steady supply of essential minerals, supporting healthy tree and vine growth. 4. Pasture and forage improvement. Farmers can use goat manure to improve pastures and forage fields. The addition of goat manure enhances soil fertility, leading to healthier and more productive forage crops for livestock. This is particularly valuable for sustainable livestock farming practices. Let's dive into the environmental and economic impacts. 1. Reducing waste. Using goat manure as a soil amendment helps reduce agricultural waste. Instead of disposing of manure in landfills or allowing it to accumulate and potentially harm the environment, composting and utilizing goat manure contribute to sustainable waste management. 2. Sustainable farming practices. Incorporating goat manure into farming practices promotes sustainability by reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers and chemicals. Organic farming methods that use goat manure are beneficial for the environment and support the health of ecosystems. 3. Economic benefits. Goat manure can provide economic benefits for farmers and gardeners. By utilizing goat manure as a natural fertilizer, the cost of purchasing synthetic fertilizers can be significantly reduced. Additionally, the improved soil health and increased crop yields can lead to higher profits. 4. Carbon sequestration. The composting and application of goat manure can also contribute to carbon sequestration. The organic matter in goat manure helps to capture and store carbon in the soil, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change. Let's dive into the innovative uses for goat manure. 1. Bioenergy production. One innovative use for goat manure is in bioenergy production. Anaerobic digestion of goat manure can produce biogas, a renewable energy source that can be used for heating, electricity generation, and cooking. 2. Goat manure pellets. Goat manure can be processed into pellets, which are easier to handle and apply to gardens and fields. These pellets can be sold as a natural fertilizer, providing a convenient and efficient way to utilize goat manure. 3. Goat manure tea. Goat manure tea is a liquid fertilizer made by steeping goat manure in water. This nutrient-rich tea can be applied to plants as a foliar spray or soil drench, providing a quick and effective boost of nutrients. 4. Erosion control. The organic matter in goat manure can help with erosion control. When applied to soil, goat manure improves soil structure and stability, reducing the risk of erosion and promoting healthy plant growth. In conclusion, goat manure is indeed a hidden treasure in the world of gardening and farming. Its rich nutritional profile, organic matter content, and beneficial microbes make it a valuable resource for improving soil health and plant productivity. By composting and utilizing goat manure, gardeners and farmers can reduce waste, promote sustainability, and enhance their crops. Whether you're a small-scale gardener, a large-scale farmer, or an urban farming enthusiast, goat manure has the potential to transform your soil and yield bountiful rewards. So, embrace this natural resource and turn waste into gardening gold. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of goat manure. We hope you've been inspired to turn waste into gold in your own garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy gardening!